Hi, how would you like it if you could actually grow your career multifold in 60 to 90 days, just like our clients did? One of our clients could actually get her dream role or dream career with more than 30% hike in 60 days after joining our program. Another one could set up a side hustle along with its current job. So our clients have achieved amazing results in terms of both money as well as job fulfillment. Wouldn't you like to have that for yourself? Wouldn't you like a dream career without wasting years and months? Do you want to get unstuck? Do you want to come out of the monotonous job and low pay hikes and stagnation? Then I'm conducting a webinar just for you. It is my mission to help working professionals, especially corporate leaders, to accelerate or switch their careers based on their calling. How would you like it if you actually became aware of your strength and leverage your unique strengths to fast track your career? I have created a dream career code or a formula, and I'm going to give you more details about it in the webinar. So register in the link given below. See you there. Bye bye.